Hi, I am Gitraj from Mumbai, India. India is experiencing an amazing growth and it is poised to become a superpower very soon. That is why my project is on finding investment opportunity in the National Stock Exchange of India. My project title is Indian Stocks Investment Suggestor, and I have used my knowledge that I acquired from my masters in finance as well as my years of experience as a successful investor. I am sure you already know stock market returns are by far the highest when compared to any other investment modes, and these days it has become very simple to invest in them. So, let's start to see what we have in store. We have some very fancy ASCII art to welcome everyone, followed by a very famous investment quote. These quotes change every time you visit us. As you see on the screen, we pick up the stocks data from a CSV file and fetch all the data for thousands of stocks. This takes around 3 to 5 minutes, but for this video, I will speed it up. So now, we have all the data downloaded and users can select what indicator do they want to start with for receiving the investment recommendation. I will select option 1, for which I will be typing 1 and hitting enter or return key. Wonderful. You will get top 10 companies by market capitalization. These look very safe to invest in right away. But let's look for more by saying Y on screen, and there you have 10 more stock recommendations. Wow. I will now say N for more recommendations since I want to see other indicators as well. We need to say Y for continuing to do our investment research. At this point we can now go to option 2, which is P or price to earning ratio. The recommendations based on PE ratio looks good, as these are some undervalued companies. So now you have an idea how to go on looking at different indicator-based recommendations. I challenge you to find out the best stocks to invest using this program and keep coming back for more recommendations. Since we do all data analysis only on the latest results posted by companies. Thank you for taking a look at my project, and I look forward to your comments and suggestions to improve this project. Goodbye.